Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's episode is all about Kiara Sky. So we're going to go ahead and get into this unboxing. I purchased a few items, some must-haves from Kiara Sky. And let's just say off the top, I absolutely love the packaging, like the pink and the white and the little sticker right here. And then even like the little styrofoam hearts as you'll see. That is just too cute. Like I saved those and put them in stuff. So the first thing that I was super excited about was the acrylic here, the Diamond FX. This is in the color Tin Man. And we're gonna swatch that a little bit later, but I also went ahead and purchased some more of the drill bits. This is the 5-in-1 purple drill bits in fine and also coarse. I've already purchased the fine one, but it's time for me to get a new one, and I have not tried the coarse drill bit yet, so I've heard wonderful things about it. It's actually my favorite drill bit to seal the cuticles, to do that final filing, and with the coarse one I will use to, remove a lot of bulk product. And for the star of the show, I have the Express Pro acrylic press-on nails. This is in the color, I guess, gilded gold. It is so pretty, you guys. I have them on right now and it is lovely. I'm a huge fan. So we're gonna go ahead and get into swatching the Tin Man acrylic. Another thing that I purchased separately is the Kiara Sky acrylic brush. This is in the size 14. It is so pretty. It feels really good in my hand. And then the handle is just an iridescent crystal look. It feels so good. So this is just how I break in my brushes. I just dip it into the monomer and then I just wipe it off on the brush. And then I like for my brushes to be nice and flat, so you'll see me here in a second go ahead and just flatten it out. So we're going to use that to swatch the acrylic color Tin Man. Y'all look at this. This is so pretty, look. Ooh, so pretty. And it blended so well. I mean, I'm a huge fan. I cannot wait to do like an ombre with this. It is going to be so cute. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start prepping our nails for the press on. So I just do my standard prep as if I were to do any nail enhancement, acrylic or polygel or gel, whatnot. So I'll just have a sanding band here, and I just did do a soak off, so that's why my nails look kind of crummy, but I'm going to go in and just rough up my nails even more and remove the shine. And later on, you'll see me go in with a needle bit just to do some cuticle work, and also a round ball bit, cuticle ball bit, to buff away my cuticles. And I'll pop back in when we get to the application part. Alrighty guys, so here are the press-on nails. These are in the color Gilded Gold. They are 100% acrylic. They are strong and durable. It says it lasts up to 3 weeks, and y'all, there are 30 tips in each set. Like, how amazing is that? So it's a size for everyone. And as you see, I have large nail beds, and these fit me perfectly. I did not have an issue with any of them. I only had to file down one of the nails just because I think it was my ring finger or my middle finger on my right hand that was a little kind of curved over to the edge. But it comes with your glue. It comes with a nail filer. It also comes with the sticky tabs, like if you were just wanting to wear them out for about 1 day, a cuticle pusher, as well as a alcohol wipe. So this kit does include everything you would need to do press on. So I'm not going to use the glue or the tabs. I'm actually going to put clear acrylic on. I'm going to apply them with clear acrylic. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and size out all of my nails before I actually put on my dehydrator and my primer, just because I don't want to get the nails all sticky. So it was very easy, like I said, to measure out my nails. Every single nail had a size for it, and everything fit perfectly from sidewall to sidewall. So if you're doing this at home, you want to make sure that it fits sidewall to sidewall. And I'm just going in here with my dehydrator, and next I'm going in with my primer, and I did do 2 coats of that. You only are going to see one just for the sake of the video. So we're gonna start off with the thumbnail here. I'm just gonna grab a medium-sized bead of acrylic, and I want it to be kind of on the drier side. I don't want it to be too runny. And you're just gonna place it at the back of the nail, and then just apply it on to your natural nail and press down. And then right here, I'm just smoothing out that acrylic down there at the bottom. And I'm also going to go ahead and put another bead of acrylic just to make it a little bit stronger there at the tip. And also to blend in that back part where that acrylic was coming out at. So I do this for all 10 nails just to make it last a little bit longer and to make sure that the tip has enough strength. So I'm going to let y'all watch the rest of the application and enjoy the music. So I'm just gonna go in and put top coat on the underneath of my nails. Since I like that acrylic, the acrylic is very porous and everything will get stuck in there, especially if you do your makeup. So this will just make sure it has a nice, smooth and clean finish. And then last, I'm gonna go in with the cuticle oil just to for presentation purposes, and also to put a little bit of extra moisture back into my cuticles. And here's the final look. I think that they came out so pretty. They were so easy to do. As always, thank y'all so much for watching my channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.